Hello, hello, dear friends all around the globe. It's me, Matea from Ljubljana. Look, we have a beautiful autumn day. I'm coming from the right riverbank. You can see the castle on the top, the old part of the city, then the market area done by architect Jože Plečnik. Crossing now the river of Ljubljanica. Very calm because there is no public transport at the moment. Very quiet. We are in a kind of a lockdown, unfortunately, but there are still some people walking around. And next to our Prešeren, you can see the monument on the right hand side, and next to our red Franciscan church, they are just now preparing the Christmas tree, and the lights will be on November 27th at 5 p.m. Now our days are already shorter. After 5 o'clock it's already dark, so these lights will bring some light in our daily routine. Thank you very much for your attention and enjoy your day.